she's hot, then she's cold. She's afraid and she's bold, most times a lot bolder than me. If she's wrong, then she's right. Well, mostly she's right about just about everything. She's beautiful even though she'll never see a warrior, a mother, a lover and a wife, the girl of my dreams and the best part of me, and forever the love of my life. Well, she is soft and she's loud and a little too proud sometimes when she talks about her kids. And she's fierce when she fights about things that aren't right, trying to make this world better than it is. And she's beautiful even though she won't believe it. She smiles when I tell her, but I can see it in her eyes. She's deep as the sea, alluring mystery, and forever the love of my life. Well, sometimes I try to imagine me without her, but imagine a world with no blue skies or sunsets to see, or love songs to be heard. Well, she'll worry and fret about what isn't yet. Sometimes it can drive a man crazy. When she laughs, it's a song that rights everything wrong. For me, it's nothing short of amazing. She's beautiful even though she'll never know. If she could just once see herself in my eyes, well, maybe she'd see and really believe she's forever the love of my